8 minus 8 multiply 8 minus 7 equal what? Here 8 minus 8 gives us 0, multiply this 8 minus 7 gives us 1. 0 times 1 gives us 0, but this answer is not correct. Now I will apply Pemdas rule to solve this math correctly. Here Pemdas, Pemdas. According to Pemdas rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this, we have to work left to right. And addition and subtraction have same priority. For this, we have to work left to right also. Here, there is no parenthesis, there is no exponent, there is no division, there is no addition. Here, existing only multiplication and subtraction. According to order of operation, multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. Therefore, at first we have to work with this multiplication. Here this 8 minus this 8 times 8 gives us 64 minus this 7. According to order of operation, when we have more than one subtraction, then we have to work left to right. Therefore, at first we have to work with this subtraction, then this subtraction. Here 8 minus 64 gives us negative 56 minus this 7. Negative 56 and negative 7 gives us negative 63, and this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.